We're back. Here we go again. We're going to give away 2 more sets on the 4th to wheel collectors, your favorite. Today we're going to be opening modern classics. But before we do that, I just want to go over what's going to happen again. On July 4th, we are going to give away each one of these items to the lucky winner. The way that it's going to work is if you commented on that video. So today, for instance, we're giving away 2 Modern Classics sets. If you commented on the Modern Classics video, you got an entry. Then we're going to pull one of the subscribers that joined us for this. And then that person's going to win a set. And we're going to do that for each case. Okay? So, without further ado, we're going to open a Modern Classics set today. Show you what's in it. Modern Classics is one of my favorite car culture sets. And as you can tell, the box is elongated like the Cars and Donuts set. Exact same box. It's the case right before it, I think. Okay. Take a peek inside the box here. I don't know if you can see that. 10 cars in the case. 2 complete sets of the case. Modern Classics was super popular. It still is. It's getting super hard to find. The first car in the case is the BMW M3. One of my favorite cars of all time, personally. Don't have to agree with me. That's the beauty of Hot Wheels, is everyone has their own opinion. Done in the Estoril Blue, which is one of the classic BMW racing colors. The next car in the case is the super popular CRX. Okay, this one right here is the 85 Honda CRX. It's got orange on it, got some nice tampos on the hood. Very cool car. The next car is the Renault 5 Turbo. Very popular casting. Got cool tampos on it as well. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, this set came out in 2017, and I think it was the winter, like the beginning of the winter, like maybe November of 2017 when these things came out. This is one of my favorites in the case. It's the Porsche 964. Again, the set is just super cool. Card backs are amazing. Porsche is amazing. I mean, car culture has just been building steam for several years now. And then this one right here, oh, you can see a bubble crack. No control over that. That just happens sometimes. But this one right here was the brand new casting for the series. The Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5 16 Evo 2. This car is smoking. I'd have to say that this was the most popular car in the box. Was super hard to find this on the pegs. So anyways, there's your set. The box is empty. We're going to give away both these sets. Let me show you the case overview here. Okay. One of the commenters is going to win the set on the left. One of the subscribers is going to win the set on the right. Thanks again for joining us. Like I said, we're going to do a video Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and just keep giving stuff away. And then, like I said, do the drawing on the 4th. So subscribe, comment. Can't wait to see what you guys say.